Oh, hello everyone, and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today, I'm not doing an unboxing. Well, I am, but I'm not. It's not. I'm not doing the unboxing for this as such because I've already done one. It's only another tripod. It's from KONIG photography light. I've already got one which is holding my light up, and I'll quickly show you in case you don't believe me. So look, here's my light. It's my light tripod. So I'm using that one, but I did buy another one, and it stuck out too far. And what I wanted to do is put a tripod behind my desk and put this light on there. And when I'm doing my live streaming, I'll have a light sitting over the top. Obviously, it's adjustable, so you can turn the brightness up and down on this, same as on my big one. So that is the idea. So, and it only does white, this one, whereas my big one does yellow and white. So I just wanted to show you why I'm doing it, rather than doing an actual unboxing, even though I am doing an unboxing of some sort. I just wanted to show you me setting it up, basically. Get it out. Chuck that out of the way. So yeah, yeah, I've done one before. So this would be my second one of these. Quite a good tripod actually. Comes with another bag. Don't need that. How much was it? It's £12.49p. That wasn't expensive. And if it's, well, it should be exactly the same as the one I got. And I found that one be very good quality. With my zip. There we go. Unzip it. Just chucking it down in rain outside. And there you go. There's a bit of material there. Put that over there for later. Oh, undo this. Oh, didn't want to do it that much. So yeah, we'll open her up. Oh, tank just dropped on the floor. Was it the little screw? I think it was. Oh, that ain't. Got the screw here. Don't know. Thought I heard the tank fall on the floor. Perhaps it didn't. So yeah, so this is the idea. So can't see it, can you? I'll move the camera back. There's that. That looks pretty good. It's about where I want it. So just do it up a little bit. And the idea behind it is I'm going to quickly show you. Like that. And again, so it goes up quite high, so that'd be perfect for going behind there. And then undo this, slip it off of there, take the top off of this. That's just a little cover to protect it. There you go. And I don't really need that bit. I mean, I could, yeah, actually I do need that bit. Just realised I'm going to need it. Oh yeah, you can change the filter on this to an orange one. So if I wanted to, I could use an orange light sort of effect, which might be pretty good. And if this works out well, what I want to do, if it works out well, which I'm hoping it will, what I want to do is buy some electrical power for this little light, and do it like that. Where we go. So that's on nice and tight. So that will go. Should be able to turn this, shouldn't I? So there you go, that's how I want it. Let me know in the comments what you think. Think it's a good idea, bad idea, or what? So with that, thank you for watching. And if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. And thank you very much for watching.